Brand new video on the channel. Today I am cleaning my Mazda. I'm going to talk a little bit about it before we get into the cleaning part, but this is after I've cleaned it. So yeah, so this is my 1996 Mazda Familia. I wouldn't say it's fast, but it's a cool little car. This is imported from Japan because it is the Familia, not the 323. This specific model has the little 1300 cc engine, which is 1.3 litres. It's a 5-speed manual. It makes between 60 to 70 kilowatts of power, but yeah, it is a manual. Yeah, it's probably one of the cleanest models out there. This has got pretty low Ks, and you saw there the engine bay is clean as. So if we turn that on, yeah, 115,000 Ks, which actually is pretty low for a car this age. And it runs very, very smooth. If you can see, I wouldn't say it's like the best performing vehicle out there, and it's not even loud. Like, there's a very little exhaust, but apart from that, yeah, this is probably one of the cleanest models out there. I love to make some more videos on cars like this. Yeah, now to the washing. thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to hit like, subscribe and comment, and you might see some more car content on the channel. Oh geez, I might be. Yeah, so I'd love to get into YouTube a bit more and into car content. You probably can see my dad's Falcon in the back there. Might make a video on that. Anyway guys, hope to see you guys in the next video. And yeah, peace.